Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make grid posts in Canva. First, open Canva and select Custom Size to begin. For a perfect square grid, choose dimensions like 1080 by 1080 pixels. This ensures each individual piece of your grid will align perfectly when posted, creating a cohesive and professional look for your social media profile. It's the essential first step for a stunning visual impact. Next, it's time to design your grid layout. You can use Canva's built-in grid lines or simply add elements to visually divide your canvas into equal sections. For example, if you want a 3x3 grid, you'll need 9 equal squares. Place your main image or design strategically across these multiple sections, ensuring your overall vision comes to life before slicing. Once your design is complete, the next crucial step is slicing and exporting. Canva doesn't natively slice images, so you'll need an external tool or a clever workaround. Many free online services can easily split your single large image into multiple, perfectly sized squares. Remember to export each individual square as a separate JPEG or PNG file, ready for upload. Finally, it's time to post your stunning grid. Upload the individual grid pieces to your social media platform in the correct sequence. Always start with the top left piece and then proceed row by row, moving from left to right. This careful order ensures your profile displays one cohesive, visually striking large image, captivating your audience with a professional and creative look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.